Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I cash a Capital One check at Walmart? I know this can be a frustrating question, especially if you're in a pinch and need cash quickly. So, I'm here to give you the answer, as well as some other helpful information. Before I get into the answer, let's talk about why you might want to cash a check at Walmart. There are a few reasons. Walmart is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means that you can cash a check at any time, which is convenient if you have an emergency or if you need cash on the weekend. Walmart is located in many communities. This means that you're likely to have a Walmart nearby, which makes it easy to cash a check. Walmart has a good reputation for customer service. This means that you can feel confident that your check will be cashed quickly and accurately. Now, let's get to the answer. Yes, you can cash a Capital One check at Walmart. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. You must have a valid ID. This is to prevent fraud. The check must be made out to you. You cannot cash a check that is made out to someone else. The check must be for $1,000 or less. Walmart will not cash checks for more than $1,000. There is a fee for cashing a check at Walmart. The fee is usually around $3. Once you have met these requirements, you can simply go to the customer service desk at your local Walmart and cash your check. Here are some additional tips for cashing a check at Walmart. Go to Walmart early in the day. This will help you avoid long lines. Bring your checkbook with you. This will help you prove that you are the owner of the check. Have your ID ready. This will help the cashier process your check more quickly. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. I'll see you next time.